Namaste. Until now, we understood the internal application of urine, that is, oral consumption, nasal consumption. We understood how to do the urine neti. We understood how to wash your eyes, for putting in the ears, even for washing the wounds. We use fresh, sterile urine. Whereas there is one more external application named as urine massage. It is very effective. Generally, urine massage is a very beautiful experience. Externally applying and massaging the matured or a concentrated urine on the body is known to have a rejuvenating effect. Urine massage not only have a soothing and healing effect on skin, muscles, and the circulation of blood and nerves, but also very effective in a pranic aura of the body. Regular urine massage makes skin wrinkle free and the glow of the skin increases. It can reverse the changes of aging. Skin disorders like acne, eczema, psoriasis, or any other skin ailments disappear within no time after urine massage. During fasting, urine massage helps to maintain the optimal energy level and it activates blood circulation for deeper and subtler detoxification. What is the procedure for the massage? Ideally, urine massage is done in morning before taking a bath or a shower. It requires 35 to 45 minutes to complete a full body massage. After urine massage, sun bath in a gentle sunshine is always advised. Massage has to be done from periphery towards the heart. That means the direction of the massage has to be from toes to the head, from hand towards the heart. Like that, one has to massage with a old matured urine. Well, what type of urine is to be used for a massage? For massage, old matured concentrated urine has to be used. Urine can be matured or concentrated by three ways. That is hot method. This is not told in the text. Later on, certain urine therapy practitioners has developed this method. In hot method, what we have to do is we have to boil and reduce the urine to its 1/4 quantity, and that can be used. And what is the old and ancient method? That is storing and keeping a urine in a sunlight for 8 to 10 days continuously in an earthen pot. And what is the cold method? Also, that is reducing the urine to its 1/4 quantity by cold diffusion method using a porous earthen or a clay pot. So for keeping in the sunshine, one can use a glass bottle also. What sort of mixture we can use for urine massage? Actually, plain urine massage is very effective. However, to reduce the strong odor of a old matured urine, adding powder of 2-3 camphor pieces makes it more acceptable. For lubrication, mixing 2 to 5 spoons of sesame oil or mustard oil is found to be very useful. Generally, massage solutions are prepared in different proportions. In hot climate, we use old urine. Suppose we take a 75% old urine, and in that 25% sesame oil and plus to reduce that odor of the old urine, we use 2-3 camphor, powder of a camphor, so that the urine smells better. In cold climate, what we advise is if we have to make a mixture for the massage, then in that 70% old matured urine can be used. In that 30% mustard oil can be added. Even olive oil also can be added. And plus, to reduce the odor of a urine, what we can do is you can mix 2-3 camphor powder, 2-3 pieces of camphor powder in it, so that the odor is reduced. If any person is suffering from any skin ailment, in that old matured urine, we can add neem oil, 30% neem oil, that is 2 to 3 spoons of neem oil, and again to reduce that odor, we can add 2 to 3 pieces camphor powder in it. In certain disorders, the matured urine is mixed with extracts of some herbs in specific proportions. The massage movement and manipulation, that is friction, stroking, kneading, hacking, that etc., are performed in such a way that peripheral systematic circulation is stimulated and venous and lymphatic drainage is improved. Massage is a passive exercise, hence in chronic patients with low vitality, massage should be done very smoothly. In Tantra Yoga, there is a 107 shloka document is there. That is the authentic scriptures talk between Lord Shiva and Parvati. In this scripture, it says that urine massage, if you do it regularly, it is very helpful. If a person does urine massage regularly, then his joints, muscles will become strong, firm. He will attain brightness, that is Suvarna Kaya in Sanskrit it is said, and his heart will become stronger. He will become great warrior, and within 3 years his body will start shining bright, and he will acquire art and knowledge. He will win over a speech, and he will live long healthy life. That's what the yogic scripture says. See, in our center we have given more importance to urine massage. My father used to advocate whoever is suffering from a cancer, he has to do every day, twice a day massage with the old matured urine, and we have seen a fantastic results. Well, along with the urine massage, there is one more procedure named as urine packs or compresses. Actually, application of urine packs on painful or affected diseased parts of the body is very effective treatment. This was Dr. John W. Armstrong's favorite treatment. If you read his book, you will find so many examples in it. A pack of cotton cloth soaked in a warm concentrated urine has to be applied on the inflammation or a painful tender organ or a body part. For temperature regulation within the pack, applying a woolen funnel over it is advised as necessary. The urine pack must be changed every after 2 to 3 hours. Even those who are having a non-healing wounds, dressing a wound with a fresh urine helps to heal the wound with no aftermarks. Poties made out of mixture of anthill soil and urine is found to be very effective in relieving pain, swelling and any skin lesions. So for applying urine packs, we have to use a fresh urine. For washing your non-healing wounds, you have to use fresh urine, and only for the massage you have to use old matured urine. Old means at least 4 to 7 days old it should be, and if you use it for a massage, it is very effective. Thank you.